head over to this URL. You can also click on the link in the course resources and it will take you here. When you're here, fork this REPL, and this is the exercise for variables. In here we have two variables, variable A and variable B, which both take an input. You don't have to change the lines here. You have to write your code over here. So what you have to do is you have to swap the value of A and B, meaning whatever value the user gives for A, you should swap that value to B, and whatever value the user gives for B, you should swap that value to A. You can write your code down here, and at the end it is going to print those values so that you can check it. Now this can be a little confusing, so first pause the video and try it on your own. If you can do it, then unpause the video and I will give you a hint. I hope you have completed it on your own, but if you haven't, the hint is that let's say you have two glasses of water. The first one and the second one, they are both filled to the brim. Now to swap the waters, what you have to do is you have to have another glass of water and then empty the first cup in that and then fill the first cup with the second cup of water, and after that take the third or the temporary cup which we had and put that water inside the second cup. In this case we have to do the same. So we need a temporary variable. I encourage you to try this exercise again if you haven't and spend 10 to 15 minutes thinking about it, and then come back to the video and we'll walk through it together. So let's look at the solution. First, what we are going to do is we are going to have a temporary variable C and we are going to assign it the value of A. After that, we are going to change the value of A to the value of B, and then we are going to change the value of B to the value of C. So let's look at what's happening. We have a temporary glass or the variable where we are storing the value of A. So it is going to just duplicate the value of A, and then after that we are changing the value of A to the value of B, and then we are changing the value of B to the value of C. Now why are we not changing the value of B with the value of A? Because we have updated the value of A to the value of B, meaning if we set B to A, we are just setting B to B, meaning nothing will be changed. That's why we had our temporary variable which had the value of A assigned to it. Now we can provide that variable, and this C is equals to A, meaning when I set B is equals to C, I'm just saying B is equal to the old A which the user provided. Now if we run our code, so in here I will provide my first value as 1 and then the value of B as 2, and as you can see it swapped those values to change A which was 1 to 2 and changed B which was 2 to 1. In the next video we are going to be looking at the final topic of this section, which is variable naming. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.